just wanted to tell you about a patient that I've been seeing. He is phenomenal. He came in, had hip surgery because he had fractured his hip last November, and he's had physio and hydrotherapy for it for a while now, and it's not really improved a huge amount. However, he's come to see me for some manual hands-on therapy for the extra boost in his recovery, because he's planning to go to the Maldives and he's planning to do something he really loves to do, which is scuba diving. At the moment, he's not there yet to do that finning under the water. However, his doctor has okayed him for diving. His mobility was shocking. His hips were incredibly stiff because of the surgery, because of all the muscle guarding around it, the glutes, the adductors, everything's really tight. On top of that, he's getting edema in his legs. That's swelling. You can feel the joints are not moving at all, hardly. And that's going to impact the blood flow, that's going to impact his recovery, and that's going to impact his long-term health. So what we've been doing with him is getting him more mobile. So when you're on the treatment bed, you're completely relaxed, you're not using your muscles. I'm much more able to move the joints a little bit more freely and affect the muscles, the blood vessels, the lymphatic drainage from the legs, getting all that goodness from like the lungs, the oxygen, and the heart, the blood pumping to the muscles, to the joints, in order to help it recover a lot faster. And comparing the first session he came in here and today, it was outstanding. It was amazing. The amount of edema, the swelling that he had in his legs, and how much it has reduced is phenomenal. And he's been able to move around a lot more at ease. So he's not as stiff, he's not as much in pain. Obviously, there's still some time to go because this was a major surgery. But in terms of how much change we were able to make for him is incredible. And it tells a lot when after the last session, his very first session, he was like, when can I book in? He booked 5 in a row, because you know he could feel the difference. That's how much of an impact he had from the treatment. So well done to him, and I'm really looking forward to how he gets on. So this is just one of the kind of patient stories that I get through my treatment, and I just wanted to share that remarkable story with you. So we'll just continue on, and I'll let you know how he gets on.